back to the Crochet Corrados with my friends at Yarnspirations.com. I'm your host Mikey. Today's the Jonah's Crochet Collective Motif, and we're going to focus on number 6 today. This is the diagonal slash. This is also kind of like the sumarai stitch, and it's a really neat thing. So if you'd like to change the size of this pattern and make it in a bigger format, you can do multiples of 4 plus 5. So keep 4, 4, 4. When you're happy with the width, add 5 more chains, and then you'll be able to follow this to make it any size that you want to. So in my case, I am going to chain 29 for this particular motif today, and we're using a 5mm size H crochet hook, and you'll need to make 5 of these for your blanket. Let's begin today, and we are going to chain a total of 29. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can go all the way to 29. Again, if you're changing the size for something else, it's multiples of 4 plus 5. Please meet me back here for row number 1 in just a moment. Let's begin row number 1. Every other row is going to be the same thing, which will just be a single crochet. Because it is row number 1, you're going to go second chain from the hook, so it's 1 and 2. Get the back hump of the chain because I think it looks nicer. And you're going to single crochet in each one of the chains going all the way back, and you should have a total count of 28 single crochets by the time you get there. Please go all the way across and turn your work and get ready for row number 2 in just a moment. Row number 2. Here we go. Every other row is going to be this, and so you're just going to chain 3. That'll count as your first double crochet, and in the very next stitch will be a double crochet as well. So the edging will technically have 2 double crochets on it before doing any of the diagonal slash. To do this, you're going to skip the next stitch, and you're going to focus and double crochet the next 3 after that. So skip 1 and double crochet the next 3. This will cause this to lean on its side because of the way that you just did it. Now, you're going to go to the one you skipped, and you're going to wrap the hook, and you're going to go into this on the front, and this is going to cause this to wrap around the 3 double crochets, and you're just going to pull it through, but just don't pull it through. Give it some slack like this, and then pull through 2 and 2. It takes a bit of practice, and it will look like this. So it's wrapped around the stitch work, just like you see. So now we're going to start again. So skip the next one and double crochet the next 3. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Go to the one you skipped, yarn over, going into the stitch. Let this wrap around those 3 and pull through and pull some slack, and make sure it looks the same as the original. It takes a bit of practice to get used to it. So start again, so skip the next one, double crochet the next 3. I love this stitch, it's fun. Okay, and then come into the one you skipped. Pull enough slack to make it look the same, and then pull through, and 2. So do this all the way across, and I'll see you on the final few stitches to show you how to finish. So going all the way across, you'll end up with the final 2 stitches here, and those will be a double crochet each. So you'll be doing this row every other row. So turn your work, and let's begin row number 3. Let's begin row number 3. So every other row is the same, so just chain up 1 and apply 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. At the end of this, when you get your 8 inches tall, the single crochet should be the last row to make it consistent with the very first one. So just single crochet across, turn your work, and then I'll show you one more time of the diagonal slash once again. So please do this, and I'll see you on row number 4 in a moment. If you're new to crochet or unsure, the very last stitch is in a turning chain. So a lot of people think this is the end, but it's not. It's right here. Don't go into a space, go right into the chain work to finish that last one. Okay, so it should follow it straight on up. This is a flat side. So turning your work, and let's do row number 4. So row number 4 is like you know before, so just chain 3 and a double crochet in the first. And then you're doing your diagonal slash. So skip the first one and double crochet the next 3. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then come into the one you skipped and apply that one. Okay, so skipping the next one and double crochet the next 3. So you need to do this all the way across, and you'll double crochet your final 2 and then turn your work and you'll do a single crochet, and you're going to keep repeating these 2 rows until you get 8 inches tall. And then once you have the 8 inches tall with the single crochet being your last row, you're going to then proceed to your edging, and then you'll get ready for that. So please do this, and you're going to do this for 5 times, so 5 squares total, and this is the motif number 6. We hope you enjoy, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.